Whew. It is cold outside where I live at, and be forewarned, you might... Yeah, that's the air conditioning unit right here making a loud screech. It's like making a weird elephant type noise right there. Due to it being so cold outside, I think the outside air units are not working so great. This one isn't. The third one's making that horrible elephant noise. And it's covered my ears because it's loud, but it's making a screech. Here's the working one, ours right here working. But that is loud.